Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, I am Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 5, Episode 5. Before beginning to talk about Fear the Walking Dead, I have to warn you, it's really hot today in France, so I'm gonna drink maybe. Sorry if it's disturbing for you. And also, my neighbors are on their swimming pool, so maybe you're gonna hear them screaming. Don't worry, they are happy, really, they are enjoying their swimming pool, so maybe you're gonna hear them screaming. I'm sorry for that, but I don't have the time today to wait that they finished to go on their swimming pool. I have to film that right now. Okay, so about Fear the Walking Dead. This season so far is really... It's really amazing. Really, for me, the next season was really a revelation because finally the show found its own identity, and during this new season they are really taking risks, they are really trying things like those crazy kids who are living alone, like Al being kidnapped by the same persons that took Rick. We saw the helicopter on the last episode. I'm gonna put a link if you want to see my reaction video about the episode 4. And really to see the helicopter that took Rick in The Walking Dead, in Fear the Walking Dead, that's really great because it's really going on the theory of a crossover between those two shows, and that can be really interesting to confront those two groups. That can be interesting if it's really happening, and yes, that's great. Okay, we have Morgan and Dwight who came from The Walking Dead, but it's not because of that now this show is so amazing and so interesting. It's also because the character that we know since season 1, we had time to love them, to care for them, and now they really also found their character, you know. Each one has a place, each one has, you know, Alicia is a leader, Morgan is helping her, is her right hand. Really, each one has something to bring to this group, and that's really great. That was missing maybe during the first season, where everybody was just, you know, living their things and they were not really coherent in some way. Do you hear them? I don't know if you can hear them or not, but really it's like it's like they are trying to make as many noise as possible. Okay, about what happened during the last episode. We didn't see Dwight, John and his girl during the last episode, and I think that's logical because during the last episode it was all about them. So now in the last episode we saw all of the rest of the characters. We saw Morgan and Alicia finding this group of kids, there are many of them, and they are keeping their parents, their dead parents, safe. I don't know if they have really hope for them, if they really think that they can change them. I think not, but really, like Morgan said, it's not because you know that they are dead that you want to kill them, you know. Maybe during this season with our crew, with our group, they're gonna find a way to really kill them. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be hard for them. I'm really worried about Al. We didn't see her since episode now, and to know that those who took her were those who were on the helicopter of Rick, and we saw the helicopter leaving, and the kids were explaining that if they are leaving, it's maybe because they have what they wanted to have here, what they touched, and it's really not a good news because it means that we are not gonna see her, and not before episodes, before seasons maybe. Yes, I'm really worried about her. But also, I'm not so worried because I think that maybe at the beginning they kidnapped her, but we know her. Really, we know her, and we know that she can be interesting to see where those men in black came from, and maybe at the end she was following them, you know, she was living with them in purpose, maybe. I don't know. I prefer to imagine that than to imagine that she was hurt or she was tortured or she was forced to follow them. I prefer my version. Okay, so let's go for episode 5. Run, Al! Please run! Can you run faster?
The camera.
No, I'm not afraid. I don't know what you're talking about.
Where is it? You see my boot? Over here! Come on.
She's so clever! Okay, he's dead. He's dead and he's re-dead. Really dead and dead. Twice.
Oh, shit.
What is she what? Okay, you find the helicopter. That's nice, that's good. She's gonna drive the helicopter? Oh. That was too good to be true.
Get out.
Mm?
I'm gonna have to break one of your legs now.
No!
More or less. Did you do that? I'm not telling you shit. Just tell me where you're from, what you are, what you're doing.
Yes, please!
Why it's so important that no one sees we've done that for.
Those who are watching The Walking Dead and not Fear the Walking Dead right now,
Answer your questions.
you have to watch it also.
Yes, you do. Why are you?
That's a good question.
First. No.
I'll cooperate. Really? No. Don't do it.
We need food.
Okay, I prefer that. Are you going somewhere?
It's up there.
Elles vont faire une randonnée. Why is it giving me Brokeback Mountain vibes?
Why does any of this matter?
Please, we want to know. Of course it matters. It matters to us. That was close.
I'm not wearing that. Can't force me to get bit.
Thanks God you were not in there. Or maybe thanks to your ego, Anne.
Stay in the car.
Not that she's gonna save her. Thank you for the jacket. I'm not sure right now. I'm.
What is this? This is not included in my transaction.
This is our story. This is your story, Al.
It's a helicopter.
You didn't tell us.
Without you. I could have said goodbye to Mary.
We are a force who are not living for ourselves or for now. You have your stories, already making every day the past. We have the future.
did it mean?
We'll make camp here. We'll be done
I'm
soon.
really having Brokeback Mountains vibes.
Crack your foot and get some sleep. I'll keep watch.
No. Really? That poor guy. You fall, I fall. Like, you jump, I jump. Really? Oh no, 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 no.
Do it.
She's gonna fail, and Al is gonna save her. Knew it, said it, knew it.
You fall, I fall.
You jump, I jump, really, it's so romantic vibes right now. Let's kill him. Yes. No. Finally, I'm saying no. Okay. I'm fine, she's fine. They are fine. We are fine. No. No, 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 no. You're not gonna jump! No! Are you crazy? Yes, 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 she's brave.
You fall, I fall. You have to kill me for operational security. Yeah. We'll find another way out. Were you ever gonna give me that tape?
Not sure.
You have to destroy it!
Why? She's doing what she wants.
Why? You want that interview? The place I'm from.
Yes!
I'm not going to tell you where it is, I'm not going to tell you what it's called, but there is something I will tell you.
What?
It's bigger than me,
Because it's the future.
and we're the past. And right now, it's the only thing that matters.
What does it mean?
You don't want to go there.
Why not?
If someone finds the tape, it makes what we have, what we're working towards, vulnerable.
You want stories to matter? You have to make sure there's people around to hear them one day.
That's enigmatic. I want answers. Brokeback Mountains vibes.
I would have much rather met you before all this. Or maybe whatever it's going to be after.
I get it.
Come on. You want it. She wants it. Come on. What?
Here. Turn around. Please.
No. Ooh.
I get it. I want you to know that.
Take her,
I
please.
want you to do something for me. Make sure the story matters.
No. No, no, no. I'm not accepting that. You took her. No, you didn't kill her. You took her. No, I'm not accepting that. Al. Al.
I want you to live. Don't chase this story. My name's Isabel.
Hello, Isabel.
I'm from Indiana.
Okay.
And I got to see the prettiest thing I've seen. This is the end of everything.
I said it. I said it. I want to cry now. It's oh. No, no, no. I didn't cry. I don't know what you're talking about.
everything according to protocol.
Calling out the reclamation.
No, not everything. You met Al. You kissed Al. If you are here, it means that you are close to Morgan and Alicia. Turn the radio on. They're just right here.
Morgan, do you copy?
It's just right here.
Al?
My baby is in love.
The Walker, you said there was a story.
No. It was a weird lighting trick.
We're gonna find another way out of here, Al. And, hopefully not just us.
More new people.
Yeah.
More new little people.
On the way.
Seth Czechobaki.
What?
It's my last name. I had two parents with Polish names who insisted on double barrel.
You okay?
Yeah.
She's gonna begin to
Just thought I should.
tell about her story. That was a nice episode, really. That was a sweet episode, you know? That's a change for Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead. To have that kind of sweet episode, you know. And it reminds me also...
Impossible as all
No.
we see.
No trailer for me, you know that. No trailer. Yes, I was saying that it reminds me a lot about the episode about John meeting June, you know? It was also an episode where nothing really happened. I mean, nothing tragical or nothing. Yes, for the big storyline, that was not an important episode, but the atmosphere during this episode and the atmosphere during the episode where John met June, they were the same, you know. Really, there were sweet episodes, and that's nice also to have sweet episodes. Okay, it's not like the usual episodes of The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead, and maybe some of you are not happy about this episode because you are watching Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead for having actions, for having deaths, for having things like that. But me, I'm watching Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead, okay, for actions, okay, because of the deaths, okay, because of the suspense, and because I like when I'm in tension, when I'm in suspense, but also I'm watching this show because of the characters and because of their stories, you know, because of their evolutions. Yes, so to have a full episode, to have an entire episode about one character and about one change, one evolution about this character, for me it's a good thing. And I'm really happy that this episode was about Al because of two things. One of them, it's because it means that Al didn't live with that girl on the helicopter, even if at the end I really wanted her to live with that girl because they kissed and they were really sweet together, and I wanted her, I wanted Al to follow that story, you know. But it means that we are gonna have more of Al, because if she would have been on that helicopter, we wouldn't have seen her, not before episodes or seasons, you know. So it's really great that she's there, she didn't leave. And the second thing why I'm enjoying that episode about Al, all about Al and her evolution, her character, it's because, you know, since we met her, we didn't have really informations about her. She was really asking all of them for their stories. She was really, yes, interrogating all of them, but she was not telling her story. She was not telling where she came from, what she did, all of that. So to have some information about her story, that was interesting, but also that was interesting for the evolution of her character, because really we saw her evolving during the episode. At the beginning she was kidnapped and she was as cold and as cynical that we knew her, and after that she trusted that girl, she saved that girl when they were climbing, and she fell in love with that girl, with Isabel, and after that she kissed her and she opened herself to Isabel, and finally at the end when Isabel left, she opened also herself to Morgan and Alicia. So really for the evolution of the character, for yes, that's great, because we didn't have a lot about her since we met her. She was really written during the last season, since we met her, to ask everybody about their stories. So that was interesting, because that was useful for the storylines, but for her character, it was not interesting. You see, she was not evolving. So really, to have a full episode just for her and to make a change on her character, to let her evolve, that was nice, that was interesting. I can understand really if some of you are disappointed about that episode, because yes, that was not what we have usually with Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead, but for me that was as interesting as other episodes when we have actions, death and all of that. Okay, whew. I began this video during my intro. I was saying that I was worried about Al and that I was scared that we were not gonna see her, not before episodes or seasons, and we saw her during all of this episode. We saw her evolving, we saw her falling in love with someone, and we saw her staying with our group. So really, that's a great episode for me. I'm really happy about this episode. I hope that you are enjoying it also. Tell me if you are like me, enjoying also those episodes that are really about characters and the evolution of characters. Or maybe you are disappointed about it because you're not watching Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead for having that kind of episodes. Really, I can understand that point of view. But yes, for me, that was nice. I liked this episode. So it's all for Fear the Walking Dead for today. I'm gonna leave tomorrow for music festival, so I'm gonna be late for the episode 6. Just one day, I think, but I'm gonna be late because of that, because I'm gonna be enjoying myself at a music festival. Don't worry, I made my homework and I already filmed, edited and planified reaction videos about The Expanse. Maybe you are watching also my reaction videos about The Expanse. And because the next episode of The 100 is not gonna be out this week but the next week, those of you who are watching my reaction videos about The Expanse, little bonus spoiler for you at the end of this video. You're gonna be pleased because this week you're gonna have 4 episodes of The Expanse and not the usual 3. And for the next week, because I'm gonna be late for Fear the Walking Dead, you're gonna begin your week with an episode of The Expanse on Monday. I hope that you are happy about that, because really I made my homework for you. I'm not gonna be here, I'm gonna be in this music festival, and I really worked for you. I didn't want you to see the difference between me being really there or being at a music festival. You're gonna have your usual 5 reaction videos. That was a lot of work, but I made my homework for you to feed you with the usual reaction videos. So it's all for Fear the Walking Dead for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.